You've heard no tax on tips. It sounds like tips are tax-free now, but they're not, and the name is doing a lot of heavy lifting. Here's what it actually means in 60 seconds. It's not a tax exemption, it's a deduction. From 2025 through 2028, eligible workers can deduct up to $25,000 in tips from their federal taxable income. You still report every tip, you just get to subtract some of it before the IRS calculates what you owe. Also, the deduction's available whether you itemize or take the standard deduction. 3 things people miss. 1. It only covers voluntary tips. For example, a 20% auto-added gratuity on a big table wouldn't count. 2. It does nothing for Social Security and Medicare taxes. Those still come out of every tip. 3. It phases out once you earn over $150,000 or $300,000 if you're married filing jointly. And it's temporary. Unless Congress extends it, tips go fully taxable again in 2029. I'm Christian with Swole Tax. Tax is simple, clean, and stress-free.